Hello everyone, welcome to Quiltster, the quilt planning application that lets you personalize pre-designed patterns with the fabric of your choice so you can see the look of your finished quilt before buying supplies. Today we'll walk you through how to use Quiltster to personalize the Chinese lattice pattern by Quiltworks. First you'll want to log in, which takes you to your dashboard. This is going to be a quick video. For more in-depth tutorials, visit the tutorials page in the main menu. Under My Projects, click Create New, and this takes you directly into the pattern library. Click on the pattern, which opens template options. Most patterns offer a fully colored template as well as a grayscale template. Click on the one you want to use as a base to start coloring, then name your project. And this takes you into the project editor. Click on the quilt, then click Edit. On the left side of the screen is your quilt. On the right side is your fabric. As a default, one of the block groups is pre-selected for you. This striped pattern shows which blocks you are actively coloring. You can change which block group you color first by clicking around. And as you can see, that striped pattern changes to show you which blocks are activated. On the right side of the screen, choose the fabric you want to see in that space. You can find any fabric you've personally uploaded into the system under My Fabrics, or you can use any of the preloaded collections by selecting a fabric manufacturer, then a collection. Simply click on a swatch and watch it automatically appear in the correct space in your quilt. And then you just keep repeating that. Click a section, click a swatch, select a section, select a swatch. And it's really that easy. You can toggle between all the fabric collections and you can change your mind as many times as you wish until you find the perfect colorway. And when you're done, click Save in the bottom center, which will save your changes to this block so you can view it in the overall quilt. If you're happy with how it looks, click the pink Save button in the bottom left-hand corner of this screen. This Save button is important because if you need to shut down the program or come back later, you need to click this Save button to save your project up to this point. You'll notice that the button turned white after I clicked it, so I know that it has saved. And then from here, you can continue editing just by clicking on the quilt and then clicking the Edit button again. I can go to the print page to print out my yardage chart. Or I can share my project to the Quiltster gallery where other people will be able to see, share, and comment on my work. Back in My Projects, the quilt will populate in my account so I can access it quickly. And back at the dashboard, it will also populate in the most recent project shortcuts. This completes our tutorial for how to personalize the Chinese lattice pattern by Quiltworks. If you haven't subscribed, go to Quiltster.com to join in the fun. And remember, every quilt has a story. The best ones begin with Quiltster. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.